I am Saitri Chakravarti from the Department of MIT Institute of Information Technology, where I am pursuing my Masters in Cyber Security and I am in the first sem, and I belong from the MIT University, Rajasthan. Today I am going to say about the Li-Fi and is going to demonstrate a working model on the same. Now what is this Li-Fi? This Li-Fi means, didn't get it? What is this? This Li-Fi means transmission of data with the help of this light, and this is an LED bulb. So we are going to use LED bulb for the data transmission. Now where does this term Li-Fi comes from? The Li-Fi term was first coined by Professor Harold Haas, a prominent professor in the Edinburgh University, Scotland, United Kingdom, who coined the term first in the year 2011 in the Global TED Talk. The speed of Li-Fi is very much greater than Wi-Fi. Yes, the speed is very much, which we cannot imagine. The frequency of Wi-Fi is only 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, whereas the Li-Fi has a frequency of 224 GHz, which you can easily, by listening to this, can understand how fast the data is going to be transmitted from one device to another. Yes, the maximum speed that the Wi-Fi can give you is only 7 GB per second, whereas the Li-Fi has the capacity to give you 100 GB per second, which is very much a speed that is a great boon for speed transmission of data from one device to the other device, and the communication can be very well established and very quickly it can be done without any interference or hindrance, since the minimum amount of interference is in visible light communication technology, which is a bit maximum in the radio waves which the Wi-Fi uses. Now how the Li-Fi works? The Li-Fi works in the help of the LED bulb. Now what does this LED bulb make it to work as a Li-Fi device? Well, it is the semiconductor diode that is present inside the bulb, which actually helps in the high modulation of the signal or the intensity of light. Now the intensity of light can be modulated greatly with the semiconductor device that is inside this LED, which helps to transmit the data as per the volume of data that is coming into it, and it transmits the data very quickly and very easily with minimum interference to the receiver, which is the photodetector that detects the light signal and then decodes it and converts it to the signal which we want as an output to the output device. That can be a speaker or a projector or anything else. Now talking about the advantages of Li-Fi. The first and foremost advantage of Li-Fi is deep under the sea and high above the air. Radio waves cannot reach. And how will the devices communicate with each other? Yes, the solution is Li-Fi. The Li-Fi, that is a light, can penetrate deep under the sea or high above the air, which will easily communicate with the devices, and this will help in proper communication and rather making very good strategies both under the sea and high above the atmosphere regarding the war, when defense personnel needs to make a good communication among themselves for a strategic plan to conquer the enemies and make the nation win against the war. Second of all, being a student of the Masters of Cyber Security myself, I would like to greatly concentrate upon the security factor. Yes, the security factor here is very excellent. Why? Because the problem with Wi-Fi is that any person sitting adjacent to your room can easily crack your password or can easily hack your data, because the radio waves can easily penetrate through the brick walls. This doesn't go with the light. We know the brick walls are the opaque medium and light cannot travel through opaque. So you are completely secured in your room. Therefore, you can easily understand, or you can easily make yourself secure that whatever I am doing, that is only known by me, and no other can hack my data or no other can crack my password. Third, which is the main thing, is that light doesn't have any kind of health hazard, which there is a probability for the radio waves. Thus, these are some of the advantages that I count here. There are rather many, which is going to be the advantage of Li-Fi. And to mention as a conclusion last, the Li-Fi will be a great boon during the traffic control. And IoT devices which are increasing day by day, the amount of data which is increasing day by day, the volume, these all are going to be accommodated very easily, very nicely, and with the advanced and speed technology in the Li-Fi. So with this, I conclude my introduction to this concept of Li-Fi, and here I move on to my demonstration. Now I am going to demonstrate in front of you the working of my project, that is the Li-Fi or the light fidelity, where I am going to transmit the audio signal from the source to the receiver with the help of only light and no other sources. So let us see the working. First of all, let me accustom you with the parts that I have used here. These are the two aux cables, which is going to be one connected with the source as well as the other to the receiver. This is my source, this is my receiver, there is a speaker here, this is my LED bulb. This is my LED bulb, which is the main transmitter here, powered up with a battery for the whole circuit. Similarly is my photodecoder, or this is going to transmit the audio received from the LED bulb to the speaker. Why? Because it is going to decode the flickering of the LED bulb and is going to transmit the signal to the speaker itself. And this thing is also powered up by the battery. Now the working. As you can see, the moment when I connected my aux cable with the source, the LED bulb got blind, which means the LED bulb is glowing, means it is confirmed that my source has been connected well with the apparatus. Second of all, I am going to connect the aux cable on the other side with the output device, which is my speaker here. Now let me show you the working. There is no other source, my dear friends and my professor, but only the light where that audio transmission is going on. To prove this, I have a way. As you can see, the light cannot pass through my hand. Similarly, the data is no more transmitted. But the moment when I side my hand, then and there the data is transmitted, which is also ensuring a security here, because the light cannot go through the opaque medium, which means I am completely secured within the range where I am sitting or where I am working, and no other intervention can take place from the adjacent sides. But the moment when I just side the opaque medium, I am just liable to use the feature. Thank you everyone for acknowledging my demonstration and my hard work and being here patiently to see my project. I thank everyone on this auspicious day. Thank you.